Welcome back to the third version of the video. Like this is the like part 3 of the video series that we are talking about AI and bots. So remember in my last video I said I'm going to talk about Snapseed, like how you can enhance your like your flyers, your existing covers, your existing designs with ChatGPT. With Snapseed rather. So Snapseed is just like Face app. So why doing that? Let me just download Face app. So Face app, Face app, I talk about it in my first video, like you should download it. So this is the app. I'm going to download it for the sake of this video so that I'll be able to explain. So while waiting for this one to download, let me just go straight down to my Snapseed. I already have Snapseed on my phone. Where is it? Okay, this is Snapseed. This app is so amazing in the essence that they are not having paid version. They are not having paid version, and it's very good. So it's having a lot of amazing features. It's having a lot of things that me personally I don't know. In this, I've already talked about. There's one video on my YouTube channel that talks about how you can remove the unwanted object from your image. Like let's say you want to use a particular image for editing or for designs or something, and the image is having one object. Let's use one particular image. I already talked about how you can use that one. Maybe probably I'll just add it to the series, or I'll add it to the playlist rather. But I'm not sure I can still remember how I did those kind of thing. Well, you can easily see it on my YouTube channel. That's why I create videos, I put them on my YouTube channel so that at least, so if I'm looking for it, I'll easily go there because I've created that video over a year now. I can't remember how I did it again. So let's go down to how you can, like today we'll be talking about how you can enhance your video, like what, okay, open. Like I'll be talking about how you can enhance your flyers. Let's say you already you've created a flyers, you created an ebook cover for a long time, and you want to, like this Happy New Month design is for the big game conference by Smart Premium, So this is an existing flyer, it's good already, it's fine. So for over like let's say after a month now, let's say that this is not a Happy New Month design and you want to use it for another thing. The design might be looking dull, not very attractive like the way it was in the beginning you grab. So all you want to do is like you just come to this place, you change it to portrait. You see it's still loading. It will change the look a bit right now. I'm coming. You see now, so I change the look a bit. So you can use smooth, you can use pop-up. You just scroll down to this, all those ones, then make sure your data is on. And I think it's working with data, like with, so you see accentuate will really bring it outside, like it will be coming out very clean. You see accentuate, like it's now using the pop-up effect, like it's now very attractive. So then if you use the pop, you see this for pop, this for accentuate, so it will change the look. Then if you want to use the black and white effect, you can always use this one. So me, I like this fine art aspect. So this fine art, or probably your own, even your own picture, you change the look, you want it to appear new or something. So you just bring it to Snapseed. Before sending it to your graphic designer, you can just help them to use like two versions of the designs, the black and white and the normal design. So you can send it to your clients, maybe you're a graphic designer or something. So this is how you can do, enhance your designs with AI and apps. There are several apps these days. There are several AI. Me personally, I know about 30 different websites on AIs and all of them. So I'm talking about it gradually. It's not every day you see new thing. Every day you learn new things. So let's just try to manipulate the design, like what's it called now. So now we want to continue with our Snapseed video. Just remember that you can easily just cancel. So you can easily just go around, like open, go around the app, look for, let's say I'm using another designs, for example. There are several ways that several things I can do. Come to these tools, you see alien, you see vintage, you see black and white grunges. Then you see tune image. So you can tune image, you can tune picture, like you can tone the picture. Let's say you are also, there's this app called Remini. Remini will help you to, let's say you have a client that is having a photo that is not very beautiful, like it's not fine, it's not that handsome, and you want to tone the picture image, you want to tone it without editing, like you don't want to change the screen, like the color of the skin, you don't want to change the color of the teeth, but you just want to make sure that the design, like the picture is now more attractive or something. So you just bring it to this snapseed. You can also use this other app that we were talking about the other time that I said you should download on Play Store. So by now it's already downloaded and this is it. So Face app. So Face app is amazing because it can help you to filter a lot of stuff. Just like I said, it's having female version. But right now I'm using the free version and the free version is still cool. This is not this is not the sponsor video. I'm not getting anything from Face app. I'm just telling you apps that I've used in the past and they are very good. Things I've done personally, I'm not getting anything from them. So let's just wait. This one is still rotating. So I tried to go back now and open the app again. So this is the interface of the app for the free version. So let's say I want to, let's say I'm bringing in this agree. We agree, then I've already uploaded a video like this, the normal picture, you see. So let's say I want to use impression. I just tap on, let me go back again and show you. You can see this image that you are seeing on the lower part of the app. So just let's say I want to use this impression. Impression is just like how you look or something. So you can see pro, these ones are pro. So let's use this normal. This one is processing the video. Let's see how it will look like when after processing Hollywood 2. So let's wait, others are pro, I guess. So let's wait a bit. Now it's done. You can now look at the face very well. Now look at, compare it to this one. Look at this one. Compare it to this one. You can see the face is now more finer. Like my face is now very clean, as if I'm the finest person in the world. You grab. So let's go back to this one. This smiley. This smiley is that, let's say this picture that is not smiling now. You can now you see how it's going to look like when I'm done. You can see even the smile is somehow, but there are some pictures that is very perfect. Like when you upload them like this, it will give them a very good smile. You know, I'm not smiling at all in this. Look at the picture. Look at this one now. So it is very very good. You can go for the pro if you can afford it or you really need it. You know, don't go for something you don't really need. Me, I don't need it. I don't really use it. The only thing I use is Snapseed and maybe Remini sometimes for basic designs. I don't do most of my design again. I give them to my graphic designer to save time and all of them. So big nose. Let's say I'm looking for a big nose. You can add nose as well. Let's say your nose is not big, it's very small like my own. You can add nose to it or something. So these are the things that will help you to automate your process. These are the things that you can easily use to fasten your design ability. So I'm going to your design app, trying to be manipulating, adding those, adding this one, and you can easily do them with apps. So you can now see my notes is now bigger. My nose is now bigger. So let's say I want to do big face as well. Like this is my face that is very small. It's still processing. It's going to have more big face. So you can just manipulate the app, look through everything, it will do a lot of stuff for you. So now let's talk about apps for automation as well. So there's this app that one of my friends talk about, although I've not been really using it. I don't like the use of how it is used for. So let's just wait for this one. I want you to see how the big face is going to look like. Let me just try to pause video and play again. You know, this is now very funny. Look at my face. Look at the face. I'm talking about the big face. Look at the real picture. Look at this big face. Look at how it is look like. It's looking like. So it can even change the person's face. So when you see people manipulating pictures online, you will not be wondering how people use it. You just go through this app. It's amazing.